Should I put ketchup on the... No, I won't do that. This is how you do your steaks and chips. Bit of sriracha sauce. I've already put... I don't know whether this is blasphemy, yeah? But I'm going to put a little bit of sriracha sauce on the steak. A little bit. So that's how I lace up my steak. Hold on. This is like the peppercorn sauce. Throw that on top. And boom. A little bit of sriracha sauce. Ketchup to the side. Peppercorn sauce. The chips, a little bit of sriracha sauce and ketchup. Well, a lot of ketchup. Peace out.